We want to get a little video of Juan's and yours getting a burnout, like at least a baby one.
But not at the same time.
Hey, TV and Daniel, tell the people what you got right there.
He's all dirty.
1993 7.3.
Hey man, wearing that pink shirt again.
Oh, fuck.
You gotta put that on the video, man.
I will. Tell us about that pink shirt you got there, man.
Wear the little 5-0 cap, so you know.
I gotta wear it like this.
I'm gonna be here for a little bit, man.
It's a nice car.
Yeah.
It's clean.
Yeah, George still here, man. Hey, George. Pues he probably gonna be here still, man. Se queda cuando vengas.
Hey, show us a dance. You always, pretty much always dance on all the videos.
Shoot, man. I'm always like. Damn, man. It's always a good time here, man.
Bailarín.
Hey, man. Check out this real quick. That's a Cam 6.0.
Over there. Look at this. Probably.
Show them how it's done, Daniel. You don't even have a license.
Hey, pink shirt guy, come on.
I'll send you the video, Juan.
All right.
You got the class?
Oh,
Did you learn anything in the class?
Yes, I learned how
Oh,
to
you
do
failed. We'll see right now.
Right with you, hey, so we do the burnout. Just
Yeah,
turn back around.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, dale.
Hey, where's my keys at? Leave my keys.
Right here. My bad.
Shit, I don't know how to fucking do this shit, but oh well.
Try it.
Cameraman, HD quality. I'm gonna come on first. I'm gonna record on the camera.
He's only 15. We don't care about tires around here, man. That's what the streets are made for.
I'm gonna tell him to se le den, they'll do it. A ver si le deja hacerlo.
You're gonna break something on that car over there, man. Man, it's not my car, so I don't care.
This guy. Let him do it, Juan!
Do him or the car?
This guy.
Time to do a change on the truck. Some new taillights. Probably change out that third brake light up there too. Things old and crispy. Hey, get that drill away from me, kid. What's up, baby?
What's up, man?
What's going on, Ramiro?
What's up, Julie? What you doing?
You missed it. All those burnouts.
Full burnout.
The two Mustangs.
Oh, that's taking for now, man.
You're upgrading Ham's lights.
I got these next night.
Shit's dirty.
Are you changing the lights?
Yeah, let's tell it.
What's up?
Yeah, do my play lights, my reverse, my third brake light.
Ready for that.
Did a quick wash on it. They look new almost again. You know what I really need to get rid of is this antenna. I can't stand it. I think it's long, old. Got the Uber.
No, well, me and you wanted you were gonna go, but we're gonna go with.
Probably do my headlights run out too. They're old.
Hey, did you get me the shirt here, are you?
So like that is gonna be like your whole working mind.
Hard-working miner.
Yes, sir.
Put it on Max's tab.
Got my
put it on the
taillights
tab.
here.
Where's Stangs?
Third brake light.
Fixing it with the
And this
force
thing
drill.
makes that guy happy.
I don't know. Cute, man.
Por eso voy a dejar que salga el cámara porque me peiné.
¿Te acabaste?
Ahora sí me peiné.
Oh, ahora sí. Vámonos. So, this is you installing my lights.
A forward man working on a Chevy, on a GMC.
How you like that?
I don't hate.
It's a good man. Not like this guy right there. I'm gonna have to blur your face out. Can't be coming out on camera.
Dang.
Oh shit.
Boy got that extra small shirt on.
It's a medium actually.
I wanna be like that guy. Alrighty, man. Hey, do another burnout. So Ramiro can see.
Yeah, I want to see it with that pork guy.
Beep, 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 beep. Where's Max? Oh, here?
Hey, man. Hey, man, what's up, man?
No, hold on. Back la window.
Oh, shit.
Let me see some of my dick.
Hey, man, there's no ID here, man. Sorry.
Who's there? Burnout.
Daniel. Daniel is down on that white one. He's only 15 years old. I was waiting. Menos más, como dice Max. Looks different, huh?
Are these the ones that turn red and the
Doing a little line.
little line, right?
Yeah. Not the one that looks like a C. This one's gonna look like a L.
Oh yeah.
It's different.
Good idea.
These Change the nukes. Time to change out that brake light. Probably 32. Whenever you do your third brake lights, make sure you clean that up. Cause then the bucket that comes with it, probably not even sit right. What's up, man? Remember, can you go hit the brake real quick?
Brake?
Let it go?
Yeah, thank you. All right.
They're off?
Yes, sir.
They're off? No?
Yep.
Alright, it's pretty cool, but
Truck looks newer a little bit. Gotta change out the playlist really quick. Hey, get this on my truck already. It's done for. This is done with. Bright lights. Turn on the lights. Hit the brake. It's good.
something different already.
You like them? Y'all like them?
Yeah, I never see these on other trucks.
Yeet.